Hello everyone, good morning to all, and welcome to my channel guys. And today I'm starting my new vlogs and go, let's start. Freaky girl under the sheets. But your love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby. Now I'm bringing my coffee here up. Look, this is my coffee and bread. Oh my god! Wow! So guys, just stay there and I will share you the next happening on my life here in my employer's house because I'm working house.
A few moments later.
Today we're starting cleaning. See? I'm starting cleaning guys because I'm working in the house, so I'm starting cleaning.
A few moments later.
Today I will show you how to clean the toilet. Okay guys, this is the toilet. Look, that's a toilet. So I'm so sorry because I don't have any stand for my camera, so now I will show you how to clean. Okay, just watch. Start you like this. First the glass. Karon guys, mga tutagawas kay ingon man akong my boss said clean outside. So manita diri sa gawas guys kay atong hinduan. Bago ta mo gawas kay kinahanglan din nato ni ilak ning guys kay kung di nato na ilak, di na ta kasulod. Kinahanglan nato ning lisuon iyang kanigol guys. So guys. Hinduan ng gawas guys kay ingon gud akong amo ganina na daw hinduan daw ako ng mga bakat-bakat lang diri pero na may nagahindo diri guys na may lalaki nagahindo diri. This is the outside of the house. See, this is the house guys. Look the house. See. Akong ginduan diri guys kay my boss said you need to clean outside because it's very dirty. Naragod guys, mga bakat-bakat lang sa tiil ba. Akong gitanggal kay na tiginlo dia guys. Na may lalaki tiginlo dia. Happy kay siya no. Hastang happyhan nimo ako maghinlo sa imong trabaho. Ako magtrabaho sa imong trabaho. Una nga kita guys di ta pwede mag patay-patay sa itong trabaho sa itong lawas kay balik na sulod diri kay dangerous ra ba kay ng outside guys. Kani siya kinahanglan yun mo na siya i-open kay kung i-close mo na siya di nakakasulod balik mo na nga muna siyang gawas guys. So ako na saradan kay balik dagdag sa video kasi makita una na ko di sa sulod guys. So human ako trabaho dito na po ko sa taas sa na po sa playroom na po sa bata. Kita kids. My last work is to cleaning the playroom of my kids. I mean the son of my employer, the son of my boss. So I'm cleaning his playroom because look the playroom guys. It's very messy. Look, see. This is not good. It's very messy, so much messy. Look, so that's why I clean today here. Okay guys, today look, I will get the noodles because I'm eating noodles. See, so yummy. So see, already really beautiful. It is. I'm eating noodles. Look guys, it's very hot and spicy. It's very hot. Look. So spicy and hot. Okay guys, I'm so much tired today, so see you in my next video. So don't forget guys to like, to share, and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, bye, see you.
Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. But your love when things start slowing down. I know